Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix Apple Intelligence feature is not showing on iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem that Apple Intelligence feature is not showing on your iPhone but you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to open settings, and from here guys tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have an active internet connection, and after that tap on VPN, and from here guys you have to make sure that there's not connected any of the VPN. If there's an connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that go back and then tap on general and then tap on software update. And from here guys, what we need to do is just simply update your device to the latest version of iOS 18.1. So guys, you have to just simply update it to the latest version of iOS 18.1. After that simply go back, and from here guys what we need to do is just simply open the screen time, and from here guys just simply scroll it below, and from here guys when you update your device to the latest version of iOS 18.1, you can see here the option of Apple Intelligence and Siri. So guys, you have to just simply turn this tool on from here. So guys, firstly you have to just simply update your device to the latest version of iOS 18.1 update. So guys, do this, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.